Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click like and subscribe. In this video, I have two wooden signs from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to decorate them to match my living room decor. And I'm going to start with the heart. I'm just going to paint the heart with some folk art chalk paint in the colour Cascade, and I was going to paint the entire thing, but when I seen some of the wood showing through at the end, I thought I would just leave it looking distressed. I thought it looked nice, but you can do whatever you want, you can do whatever colour you want. And while the heart is drying, I'm just going to move on to this love sign, and I'm going to use some silver metallic paint to just give it one coat because I want to still see the wood grain through the paint. And just make sure you get all the sides and edges. And this is what it looks like when it's all painted. I'm just going to go, while that's dry, and go back to the heart, and I'm going to put some rhinestones around the outside edge about 1 inch apart and glue them down with some gem tack. And here I'm just laying them out to see how it looks and if I'm going to have enough to go around. So I cut some strips of ribbon and I'm just going to hot glue them to the back of the sign on either end of the ribbon and make it look like it is being wrapped around. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I've filled every gap in between the rhinestones. And you could just wrap the ribbon around, but you're not going to see the back, so it would just be wasted. And then when you're done, it should look something like this. You can use different colour ribbon. See lots of people using twine. And I'm just going to put the little twine hanger back in because I like it, and you could put ribbon there, but I don't want to add any more stuff to it, so I'm just going to reattach that and use it. So back to the love sign, and I'm going to use the same rhinestones, and I'm going to just put an outline of rhinestones around the heart and the letter O. So I'm just going to take this silver ribbon pearl wrap that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put one row on the L and the V and the E, and you can put it around the whole outline of the letters if you want, or you could use bling wrap, but I just want to keep it simple. On here I'm just trimming off the little extra thread bits and tidying it up before I glue it down. Here is the finished project. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos.